Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change oil on a Nissan Rogue. First, gather your supplies: a new oil filter, about 5 quarts of the correct engine oil, and a drain pan. You'll also need a wrench for the drain plug and an oil filter wrench. Make sure your vehicle is on a level surface and safely supported before you begin. Now, locate the oil drain plug, usually found at the bottom of the oil pan. Position your drain pan directly underneath it. Using your wrench, carefully loosen and remove the drain plug. Allow all the old engine oil to completely drain into the pan. This usually takes several minutes, so be patient and let it all flow out. Once the oil has drained, it's time to remove the old oil filter. Use your oil filter wrench to loosen and remove it, being mindful of any residual oil. Take your new filter, apply a thin layer of fresh oil to its rubber gasket, and then hand tighten it into place. Finally, reinstall the drain plug securely. With the new filter and drain plug in place, you can now add the fresh engine oil. Locate the oil fill cap on top of the engine and pour in about 5 quarts of new oil. Replace the cap, start the engine for about 30 seconds, then turn it off. Finally, check the oil level with the dipstick and add more if necessary.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.